This is a remove test. Our sample board already use our coating material, Peters SL1307. You can see area A and B already coating, around thickness 30 to 34. So our electrometer shows our coating material on area A and B already insulation, and for other area this is not conductive. So now we remove area B, use our thinner siding. You can see siding is easy to remove our coating material. Now we test again. For area A and the remove area is insulated, but for remove area and the other area is conductive. So this test shows our material is easy to remove. So it is better for our PCB rework. If some component is broken, just use siding or other thinner to remove our coating material.